Al Kadimi. It's wonderful to be here. I've never actually said a speech at this level. It's my first time. I feel like the Pope. I wanted to claim the bringing in the sunshine from back home, but it's almost getting cloudy. But yesterday was a wonderful day. Thanks to me. Good afternoon. Lord Lieutenant of the West Midlands, Lord Mayor of Birmingham, Honourable Vice Chancellor of Birmingham City University, Professor Carl Chin, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, respected representatives of government, academia and industry, esteemed artisans, makers and craftspersons, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense joy to share that Birmingham has now been officially designated as a World Craft City, making it the fourth craft city of the UK after Farnham, the Outer Hebrides and Stoke-on-Trent. With this announcement, we proudly welcome Birmingham as the 74th craft city in the world. What makes Birmingham achievement truly unique is the collaborative model that it has led to this recognition. Here, the City Council, the Jewellery Portal Development Trust, and Birmingham City University have come together to shape a shared vision for crafts. This is precisely the kind of ecosystem we dream of for every World Craft City, where governance, industry, and academia join hands with artisans and communities to protect heritage, foster innovation, and build futures. One of the pressing challenges of the global craft sector is the aging artisan population. Unless we engage the next generation, many crafts face extinction. Here again, Birmingham shines as an example. Through the active involvement of Birmingham City University, we now have a pathway to inspire young people with crafts, with research, design, education, and initiatives like Craft Next. Students are discovering that crafts represent not only heritage, but also opportunity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Only yesterday, we saw how the young generation is reviving crafts by building co-working facilities, incubating new ventures, and uniting creative minds. This shows us that crafts are not only livelihoods, but also a way of life, connecting tradition with the contemporary. It is in this spirit that I am delighted to announce the launch of the World Craft Academy today, right here in Birmingham. As a flagship program for the World Craft Council, the Academy will be a global platform for knowledge exchange, skills, and collaborative learning across our Craft City network. Birmingham itself is a case study in the creative economy, driven by crafts, culture, heritage, arts, and design. From the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery to the Jewellery Museum, the city celebrates both industrial and traditional crafts. The story of Smith and Pepper in jewellery making is not just about skill. It is a testimony to how craft evolves while keeping its roots alive. The resurgence of arts post-COVID is visible everywhere. Leaders like Luke Crane are safeguarding heritage while enabling new enterprises. Companies such as Domino Weaver and Pets are merging technology with craftsmanship. The innovation at BETS converting X-ray sheets into silver demonstrates how sustainability can be embedded in design. At WorldCraft Council, we are very keen to explore such pathways where medical and hazardous waste can be repurposed as raw material for craft. In many countries, artisans struggle to access affordable, quality raw material. This Birmingham model can be replicated across the world, and we would be delighted to advance this work with the support of JQ, BCU, and BETS. We also celebrate the opening of the Staffordshire Hoard Gallery, where Birmingham and Stoke-on-Trent, two world-class cities, have collaborated to showcase Anglo-Saxon creativity. The recreation of the Anglo-Saxon helmet is not just a technical achievement. It symbolizes the immense potential to reimagine and preserve living crafts for future generations. This remarkable journey would not have been possible without the dedicated work of many. I wish to record my deep appreciation for Professor Aftab Gardar, President of WorldCraft Council Europe, Dr. Fatih Nasser Satelli, Vice President of WorldCraft Council, for their tireless efforts. My compliments also go to Mr. Lee Lapthorne, Rebecca Skeels, Matthew Lott, and Steve Lovell, and the entire team from the City Council, BCU, and Jewellery Porter, and the Jewellery School, whose collaboration has made today's designation possible. The Jewellery School's integration of technology with craft is another inspiring Birmingham story, showing how new forms of expression can flourish while respecting heritage. These achievements are laying the foundation for the World Crafts Academy we launched today in collaboration with BCU, not just for Birmingham, but for the global craft community. The Academy will explore and share Birmingham's rich repertoire of crafts, from metallic buttons and pen nibs to jewellery innovations, sustainable metals, and sustainable fashion and couture. This knowledge will allow craft cities worldwide to learn, connect, and co-create, ensuring that crafts remain both relevant and essential to the creative economy of the future. Looking ahead, we are hopeful that Birmingham will take a leading role in the UK to work with WorldCraft Council on the Seal of Craft Authenticity, a global mark for recognizing authentic handmade excellence. We also hope Birmingham will play host to the World Crafts Forum, bringing together our global craft city network, tourism leaders, and jewellery trade stakeholders. This will open new doors for bilateral cooperation, creative trade, and employment generation, not only in the UK, but also across the world. In jewellery and allied trades, this would mark a true milestone. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, despite the challenges of geopolitics and climate change, crafts points us towards resilience. History teaches us that every adversity also brings opportunity and innovation. As we celebrate Birmingham today, we are not only honoring its heritage, but also sharing a bold course of the future, where crafts will remain central to sustainable development, creativity, and community life. Congratulations, Birmingham, World Craft City for Jewellery and Allied Trades 2025. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.